my channel. Today I am here with instant rava laddu recipe. Let's see how to make that. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee starts to melt, we can add cashews. Roast it until it turns into golden brown color. Now I am adding some raisins. Once it starts to bubble up, you can transfer this into a plate. Adding 1 cup of rava and roasting it until it becomes aromatic. Here I have 3/4 cup of warm milk. I am adding a pinch of turmeric just to give a nice yellowish color for the laddus. Pouring this turmeric milk into the roasted rava. Adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, fried cashews and raisins. Along with this I am adding half a cup of condensed milk for sweetness. Mix well. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Mix it really well. So our dough is ready. Just switch off the flame. Let it become slightly cool. Make laddus once the dough is slightly hot. And our super delicious rava laddu is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.